Let's start designing Perfume post. Bring a background and adjust it. Take a lasso tool and cut a display dot part of background. Now press Ctrl J to get that part in new layer. Bring a bottle of perfume and adjust it. Now make a rectangle with blue dot color and make opacity low. Put a mask on cutout layer and dot erase some extra part. Bring flower in PNG and adjust it. Make a copy of flower and apply drop shadow and adjust it. Write a text with font Felix titling. Write another text with font Franklin Gothic Book. Bring a logo in PNG and adjust it. Thank you for watching.